same stuff, but revamped it, and then from here, those knows by being revamped by me, that also got revamped, but those things, this is it. And then this, still the same till this very day, never really have anything. Okay, you're still the same, or nothing. Well, actually, it's the same. No favorite yet. Yeah, it's gone, because we're revamping it. Okay, so we're just gonna get into the video now. So you guys did not see these in the last video, but yeah, you did not see that in the last video. By the way, you can just take it off too. Then we have blue. I'm gonna read out the orange anyway. I mean, the orange. Then you got yellow and red. Red is the hardest thing. I don't know why. But yeah, now let's get over to here. This is the same thing. But actually, I'll read them. So here you go. That's nice. I have these. I mean, I'm just gonna warp it again. Yeah, the sickle is different. By the way, the sickle got revamped. I revamped it from the owner of this game. Sickle got revamped. If I can say it. Show you guys the same thing, but if I go here, just to show you. I could revamp it to this one if you guys want. So I can revamp it to that one. If you want to. We're just gonna see. We could just have it this way and we're just I feel like it. Yeah. This one? The same one? Yeah, last time on the video. But yeah. I'll add something to this. I mean, yeah, I did add something to it. Shit later. Got the worm. I don't know how you make his body big. It's just gonna tell me I'll pick it out. It's just gonna do that though. But yeah. Just tell me, I mean, I don't have comments to me. But am I gonna make the thing bigger? Am I good? Yeah. It's the worm again. These. Yeah, see, this has been updated now. Sickle's probably been updated. But I can update this and lightning because, yeah. Yeah, this is lightning sickle. Yeah. Yeah, I will, but I'll do this real quick just in case. I would have, but I just need some time to. Yeah. Oh my god, that is so nice. Looks good. Yep, same for you too. Why not? Oh, that's nice. Good idea. It's the easiest way to make an angry face. Yeah. That's a shit. We wouldn't look at that. Okay, we're good. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, just playing glitch glitch tells cheer up thing. And the sequel, which I told you about. Yes. If you ever seen a game like this, probably will publish shit. When I'm actually I'm not gonna revamp this, but yeah, I'm gonna publish the game. Here's name of it. Yeah, it's just not published yet, but even is VRE, which is so I have to revamp it. Yeah. You never probably saw the audio thing, but yeah. So yeah. So we got this ago. And then we are at this one never got music. I don't know why, but this one never got music. Next one is I think Forgotten. I don't know if it's Forgotten, but I think it is Forgotten. I'm actually good at doing it. Yeah. Okay, dang, hold up. Oh shit, you're not supposed to sit on me yet. Where is the... Right here. Now you guys can actually see it's supposed to be in. Is it supposed to be? Yeah, I think you guys know. Yeah, it's over. I'm just used to being thinking. But you have card. You got card for an advantage. Yeah, an advantage. Manager tag, yeah. Sorry for being out of line because this guy got removed, I think. And then you could just use that blue sickle too. By the way, if you're looking at everything over here, that guy got removed. If you're thinking about it, this looks like an APK. It's not. It's all the island items I have. So yeah, that's what it's actually. And then tag. It's not tag, but it's a costume tag. Yeah, it's put on top of the head. And you got toxic cyclops. Yeah. These do not work. Well, these don't work. Yeah, they don't disappear. So I'm trying to pick on these. So those times with this. We'll move on to that section. Okay. We got an angel. An angel plus the sickle 2. It's not gonna be a takeoff. Fallen angel and sickle 2 again. So we got the angel and fallen angel. This I don't know how it works, but get hit with it. Takes you to the moon. I think we all know that. Same thing with this one. If you get hit with it, takes you to the shadow realm, which is low-key slow, by the way. I don't know how to do it now, but yeah. You have Oni. The owner, yay. Okay, yeah, owner can fly though. So owner can fly too. Yeah, this. Yeah, sickle side, OG one in the game. And look how big I can make it go. Oh my god, it's gonna go so far. I'll just show you how far I can go. Look, watch. So let's say I go to bunker and people in bunkers. Or like, yeah, people in bunker. And I see them. Just start doing this. The range of it is so long. If I keep on running, if I run fast, they're just gonna get kicked. Because this thing is so long, so big too. It's big and also look like I'm doing this. You know they're gonna get kicked, and this always that long. Yeah, I think I showed here's lounge again. Let's see this. It's like version 2 of no game. Okay, I think that's enough for you. I don't even know what we should go. Yeah, we can still fly. I don't know why. I shouldn't fly. Yeah, I shouldn't fly. Let's go over here now. Q push. Stat board. Got this. We got YouTube. Yeah. Which content creator is another one in the game. Computer. Not working. Join the Discord if you want. Which I don't have. So we're gonna get to that in that next semester. We got speed. Yeah. What's the sickle too? BM2. Really, I don't know how to work schedule. It's not the new sickle, but it does not work. See, I don't know why I don't make a system for that. Moderate. I showed you blue already, I'm not sure, but yeah. Moderate and blue at the same time. So, and then got to say that. And now you see what it would look like now if I'm out here. And then over here, you'll just see. Oh shoot! But yeah, you can just swap the map. So don't do that. You might get kicked. Actually, you don't get kicked. Yeah, you might just be stuck in. I'm gonna revamp this and that. But yeah, this is what we're here for. Cool view of the sickles. They're nice. No new sickle. It's gonna take a week. No, let's die.
Alpha Warhead emergency detonation sequence engaged.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh my god, one of the winners in the game. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's no down way to get there, but yeah. If you're like a moderator, you get the these. You would get the kick buttons, which I'm gonna do. Kick buttons are for people and the anti-kick and kick. This one looks like anti-kick and to disable anti-kick. I know. Enable. This looks like enable anti-kick and disable anti-kick. Pretty good thing for moderators. they don't want to get kicked. Yeah. So, I'm gonna end it here. With a sickle too. So I'm gonna use this one. So that's the end of this video. Subscribe and like if you like this. I might even do the master's one. V2. This one. Doing today's too. Next one. And yeah, I'll do those. If you do, if I get that many views, I will showcase this one. So please, if this gets many views, I will do it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, don't forget comment. So